Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. It's me, Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate it. Today, we're going to be doing a look with the Peachy Queen Tarot palette, and it says, The Lovers. Ooh, lovers. We love lovers. And it is a beautiful palette, and it's been a while since I have dusted it off and put it on. So I'm going to be doing an eye look with this today. And that is what is happening. What's happening with you? I would love to know. In the comments, you should tell me what's happening with you. Because my life is just so simple right now. And uncomplicated, and which is great, but it's a little boring. And I have to be careful, because just because I say things are a little boring, I'm not asking for the gods up above to send me some challenges. That's not what I'm saying. And boredom is serenity is often mistaken for boredom. So we're gonna do a pinky look. I'm going to use this color called Respect in the crease. Yeah, I'm not asking for trouble. I'm not asking for drama. My life is like simple by design. Like, I really have worked hard to have a simple kind of life where I don't have to worry about waiting for a shoe to drop all the time. So it's groovy. It's all good, but it doesn't make for very good story times. Right now it is Derby weekend here in Kentucky, and you guys have probably heard of the Kentucky Derby. It's world famous. We are known for this race. It is the fastest 2 minutes in sports. And I've never been to the Derby, but hundreds of thousands of people go every year, and lots of very famous people love to go and sit on what we call Millionaire's Row and get gussied up in their finest duds with their coolest hats. Hats are very popular at Derby. I'm gonna go into Harmony, Sweet Harmony. It's pigmented as hell. So they get all dudded up in their finest wares, and they put on some big brimmed hats and some fancy suits, and they just go to town and party up like it's 1999. I was out running errands earlier today, getting some flowers from my house, because I like to have fresh flowers in my house all the time. So I go to Trader Joe's, where you can get the best fresh flowers for the best price. And that part of town, which is far away from the Derby, it was backed up like crazy. Like it's like a high shopping area. And you would have thought it was Christmas time with the way all the people were driving crazy, switching lanes and cutting people off. And I just started assuming everybody here is drunk. Starting today, which is Friday. Tomorrow's the Derby. But the big shindig, the big to-do is on Saturday. So we just know that that's when all the shenanigans are going to go down for sure. But people get started early here. We have 2 weeks of Derby Festival before we even get to the horse race. And then the horse race is on Saturday. It isn't even until like 7 o'clock at night. I'm going to put this bright pink, which is called Love. It's shimmery. Put it on my eyeline. Everything's starting to just look the same. I need to add some depth to this. And so I will with this color called Partners. Look at that. It's beautiful. So, yeah, there's a steamboat race. There's a parade. There's all kinds of little other shenanigans that go on. But it's just a big to-do here, and people really cut loose tomorrow, and that's what I'm avoiding is tomorrow everybody cutting loose and driving around drunk. And the bars stay open till 6 a.m. on Friday night and Saturday night to really make sure you get your party on. I'm liking this look so far. I'm gonna blend it out a little with my blending brush. I'm gonna go a little bit more into Respect with the blender and just kind of extend it out a little more. That's pretty. Soften it up a little. So that's what's happening here. But yeah, Derby weekend is a bad weekend to get locked up. Not that, because I don't party anymore. I've been clean for almost 13 years. So I don't have to worry about the mint juleps. Oh yeah, everybody loves a mint julep. I'm putting my eyeliner on. It is House Laboratories Punk Eyeliner. Oh, what's up, Wolfie? Matt. This is bumpy. I'll make a big wing. That looks cool though. People have asked me for tips on how to do eyeliner, and all I can tell them is practice. I don't have any secrets, but I like to have the thick 60s look when things go a little wrong, which is fine and dandy. And I'm going to use, I'm going to open up a new mascara. I wasn't planning on doing it, but I've decided that I want to have, this is like a holiday package, and it's got the Defensel's Sills Booster, which makes your eyelashes longer, and then it's got some kind of magic serum. I've never used it. I've got one here that I just haven't used. But it also comes with a mini Monsieur Big. And I'm going to use the Monsieur Big. Monsieur Big. It'd be Monsieur Grande in français. But, yeah, Derby's a big deal. So if you didn't know anything about it, now you do. And my brother-in-law helps breed and raise horses that are thoroughbreds, the kind that they use for racing, which is kind of cool. So he's in the industry, so I always ask for horse tips from him. But my favorite is to do a derby pool where I draw a horse out of a hat and pitch in like $5 or $10. And then there's money for first, second, and third place. And I usually have good luck with drawing horses out of a hat, more so than choosing my own horse and betting. I've got terrible luck that way. In fact, the first time I went to Churchill Downs, which is where the Derby is, I went for an anthropology class. And so I was supposed to go somewhere in the city that I'd never been to and do something I had never done before. So I was like, I'll go to Churchill Downs. I'll pick a horse and I will bet on the horse. And not only did my horse not win, they had to push it into an equine ambulance. And I think they took it in the back of the track and shot it because it was such a sad horse. So don't ask me for betting tips. For my lips, I'm going to use a really pretty pink, which is number 125. Let me get my magnifying glass out. It's always so small. And this is Inspire. And it's going to look great with this. Oh yeah, that's looking cool. And if you're new to the channel, my favorite lipstick in the world is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. It's about $10 at CVS and it will last all day. And so we have a completed look. And I'm very happy with how it turned out. I feel very pretty, very fresh and springy, and ready for any kind of derby activity, but I will be just staying in my home. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Bye.